Hey guys, I'm Mallory Varner with GSG, and I am here with Danny, also from GSG. And we are checking out the Brother DTF printer. So Danny, what are 3 of your favorite things about this printer?
So 3 of my favorite things are the fact that it is a roll-to-roll printer, so it's a continuous print. I can send as many jobs as I like. The other thing is, because it is a Brother printer from a GTX DTG printer, the ink on it is really, really soft. And probably the third thing I like is that it's a small roll-to-roll printer, so it's more compact than a lot of the other larger printers that are out there. But I love this printer, so come see us.
I love it. Well, if you want more information on this printer, and come by and check it out in booth 301, or if you're not able to make the show, give us a call, your local branch or your sales rep, or go to gogsg.com and we will be happy to get you more information on it. Thank you so much, Danny, and thank y'all for watching.